Hello and welcome to Zimstake Media. Botswana's former president, Festus Mogae, died on Friday, 8 May 2026 in Gaborone. He was 86. The government confirmed his passing in a statement describing Mogae as a leader who put Botswana on the map for good governance and for taking decisive action on HIV and AIDS when few African leaders would speak openly about the crisis. Mogae served as Botswana's third president from 1998 to 2008. Before that, he was a vice president from 1991 to 1998 and finance minister from 1989 to 1998. Mogae's legacy is defined by his response to HIV and AIDS. In 2001, with 40% of adults infected, he became the first African head of state to publicly take an HIV test and to declare that his people faced extinction if nothing changed. He rolled out a free antiretroviral treatment nationwide, making Botswana the first country in Africa to do so. By 2007, over 90% of those who needed ARVs were receiving them. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.